Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another modification to the Bison. This is something I always wanted to do to my Tacoma, but never got around to doing it. Today we're going to be updating the third brake light with the Morimoto third brake light. If you know me, you know I really love their lights. All the lights I have on the Bison now are Morimoto's, so I couldn't be happier with them. So whenever I saw that they had the third brake light for the Bison, I knew I had to get it. So let's unpackage this third brake light and let's see what it comes with. So this is how the brake light comes shipped. We have the card that's in the corner. They have the install video here and also have the PDF that you can download. And then of course you can tag them on social media. This is the third brake light itself. Very well packaged. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Looks nice, look clean. I didn't get the rapid flashing module. I just got the regular one. So it's already plugged in and it's just a regular plug and play to your OEM brake light. This is just your standard comparison. You can see how much nicer that the Morimoto third brake light is. So we're going to go ahead and show you what the OEM lights look like. So this is the brakes and this is the cargo light. This is the cargo light and brakes. All right, so let's get into the install of the new Morimoto light. This install is really easy to do. The only tool you need is one T20. We're just gonna go ahead and take out the OEM screws on each side of the third brake light. And then you want to press this little lever right here and it'll just pop straight out. And this is the OEM old school hydrogen bulbs that they give you. Get them side by side there. I would even say even the gasket on the new one, on the Morimoto, is thicker than the OEM one. So hopefully that would stop any leaking in the future. So before we put on the new one, we just want to clean the dirt around this area here. I just so happen to have some alcohol swabs, so that's what I'm going to use. The key of it is you just want to make sure that your new light has a really good seal. Okay, so we're going to take our new light, direct plug and play. Make sure you hear that audible click. There's two little notches, one on each corner. We're going to line those up. There we go. And we're just going to get these a little started by hand because you don't want to cross thread them, of course. And then we're going to tighten these things down. Remember, this is plastic, so you don't want to tighten them down too much. And that's it for the install. Let's do a comparison on how it looks. Okay, so we're back in the Bison. We're going to go ahead and do the brakes. Wow, you can see how much brighter that really is compared to the old one. All right, we're going to go with the cargo lights. Much brighter cargo lights too. And then we're going to go ahead and combine that with the brakes.
that cargo light would be more useful if I didn't have that big spare tire back there, but it is what it is.
And that's it for the install. I gotta say, this is one of the easiest install I've done on the Ghost Bison so far. Only 2 bolts, took about 5 minutes. Most of all, I like how it looks compared to the OEM looks, and then I like how it functions better than the OEM third brake light as well. Brighter brake lights, and then of course brighter cargo lights. You can't argue with that. If I can get some footage before I edit this of it out in the wild, I will, just to show you how bright it is at night. This parking garage really doesn't do it justice, but trust me, it's really bright compared to the OEM one. But if you like modifications to ZR2s, Colorados, make sure you like and subscribe. We got more stuff coming up, more trips, more modifications. I look forward to sharing them with you. If y'all have any ideas of what other modifications that I should do to the ZR2, please let me know. I got some stuff in mind, but we'll get there sooner or later. But until next time, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all out there.